Well, we got an extra hard drive. What are we going to do with it? Well, guys, what's up? In the last video that I put up, I upgraded the hard drive in my computer to a solid state drive, but now I have a perfectly good hard drive. I reformatted the hard drive, the old hard drive for my computer, and now what I was gonna do was buy an enclosure for it, but then I thought, I have a 3D printer, why don't I just make one? So that's exactly what I've done. Now I'm gonna do this all low-tech like and stuff because, well, you know, just because I feel like it. So here we go. Alright, well, here is my hard drive enclosure. I've even got so fancy as to put little, like, you know, clips and stuff on it. That way, you know, as I can put the lid on and it'll snap into place, something like that. Here's what the hard drive is going to be in there, and then on the top I've got an opening. My camera is just failing at focusing right now. I've got an opening for the SATA plug that I've got, because, you know, I got that USB to SATA adapter. Figure I might as well use it for more than just this one thing, even though it was only like $8, you know. Okay, so there we have it. There's the gist of what this hard drive enclosure is going to look like. So I've got it actually running on the 3D printer right now. So it's going to be probably another 6 hours until the whole thing is done. The top piece, which is the small piece, is going to take about 50 minutes. And then the rest of it, it's just a big box, and, you know, it's going to take, I don't know, I think it was like 5 hours, 4.5 hours, something like that. So it's going to be 5 or 6 hours all in, unless I decide to speed it up a little bit, which I probably won't. I like to go nice and slow, get some nice good resolution and not a whole lot of Z dancing around, you know, waviness stuff. Plus, you know, this hard drive has to fit down inside of there. Otherwise, I almost dropped my phone. And I did allow 0.3 millimeters all the way around, which should be more than enough, but I guess we'll find out. I'm going to do the top piece first, and if I need to allow a little bit more tolerance inside of the enclosure, then I'll go ahead and fix it before I commit to printing the big piece. So, I don't know. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Okay, well, here we have the rest of the hard drive enclosure. You can see how it printed. Let's get it off the print bed. Alright, here's the base, and, well, it's early in the morning. Getting ready to go to work. I probably should wait to do this. Here's the top. So what we're going to do, take the hard drive and slide it into the, maybe if I can do this, slide it into the base, like so. I'll have to set the phone down. Okay, so the hard drive is slid down in the base. Now let's put the top on. Let's see if I can set it down here. Nope. Oh well. Hopefully this just snaps together, just like that. And it just snapped, the lid just snaps on. There's the closers. And now I have a hard drive enclosure that I can plug in. Let's see here. Right now I should be able to plug this guy in, just like that. And I have a perfectly good external hard drive for storing whatever. Not that bad, huh? Ooh! I got the sniffles this morning. Alright, well, there you have it. This last portion of this video was extremely low tech because it's morning and I'm getting ready to go to work. And I just wanted to get this done. Oh, man. I need some coffee. Next time, we'll see you, Justin's Joint, right here. Later.